One thing that is often overlooked in a life-saving situation, and certainly with massive bleeding, is keeping that patient warm. So with significant blood loss, that patient can actually lose the ability to keep themselves warm. Their internal thermostat breaks and they cannot warm themselves like they normally would. So if you could fit a down comforter into your aid bag, that'd be great. But something a little more realistic and actually very handy, and these work really well, are space blankets. Another option is a little tiny little bivvy like this, an emergency bivvy. Whatever it is, you have to keep that patient warm. You can actually save a life simply by keeping the patient warm after significant blood loss. Make sure their torso is wrapped like a burrito. You want it 360 degrees all the way around that patient. Make sure to cover their head. We can lose a lot of heat from our head. Make sure they're bundled up. Burrito those guys up so they stay nice and warm. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching these videos and allowing me to share some experience, some knowledge, and some skills with you. You can move forward knowing that you've got the equipment and the skills to save a life.